On top of the morning, guys, this is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life. More active, and I just want to share a small insight with you all. Yeah, man. I don't know how to put this across, but I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, man. Ever so often, you always see me repeating myself, and up and about. And as I said from before, I always try my best to do the right thing. Yeah. Ah. This morning, I got up with the energy that um, I'm just gonna do the usual. I'm gonna go to work and I'm gonna come back home and repeat the routine all over again. Over the years, I've had the unfortunate opportunity to meet in some very sticky situations. Being the person that I am a very calm and assertive person, a very calm spirited person, a very approachable person. Yeah, man. So, what I try my best to do at all times is just hold my composure, not getting upset, not getting ignorant, but ever so often the human side take over. Yeah, man. This what I'm sharing with you all is nothing new. It's something that we just say ever so often you all will feel that energy to, lash out, get upset, and just share your thoughts in regards to whatever issues it may be. For me, um, as I said, I try my best not to be a nuisance to anyone, anywhere, anyhow, in any way. All right. I've met in a small incident a few years ago. Yeah, man, where I was at work and a young man actually run over my foot. Like him lick me down from back way. Yeah, man. And say this, we say that, guys. As me say in a previous videos, I try my best not to, you know, dwell on certain things. But for me, injustice is a hell of a thing. Yeah, man. And as a calm person, I always a face injustice. In some weird ways. Yeah, man. But say this, you say that, guys. Be mindful that there is a God. Yeah, man. Don't mind my rugged look, me already. I always I give thanks to life, guys. But be mindful that there is a God. Yeah, man. You're never alone it, and there is always an obstacle. Yeah, man. Whenever things will get better. So I'd say the minimum I want can do is just hold firm. Yeah, man. The time will pass. Yeah, man. For y'all out there that's watching, um, there's so much to share. But for me, I'm gonna take it one step at a time, guys. Because I'd say when I do, come forward with that story, trust me, guys, it's gonna move a lot of y'all. Yeah, man. And for the folks out there that see me and feel like, this is all a bed of rose, it's not. Yeah, man. I'm living on the same rock that y'all living on. So, there's something got the chip not fall far from the block. Yeah, man. But enough of that. In regards to the project that y'all see me take on from the other day, yeah, man. I have to pause. Yeah. Sometimes you start some things and, you know, you have to just throw it out, throw it out the door. Yeah, man. So, I'm gonna pause the farming, due to the fact that I'm facing issues with the fencing. Yeah, man. So I have to go do some more. Well, I have to do a lot more in regards to making sure that the fence is properly put together. Yeah. And to the nitty gritty, guys, are back to it. To the ones out there that face injustice, believe, man, as me say, God is real, Yeah, man. So nothing beats a word of prayer. When you get up in the morning, pray. And even when your eye them wide open, pray the same way. Yeah, man. Because there is always, as I said, there is always something there that want to get you out of your character. So stay firm, man. Stay strong. Yeah, man. And believe so. There is always brighter days ahead. This is Yard as is, Jamaica Yard Life, more active, and as usual, guys, I just here I give thanks to life. Yeah, man. As I say, a lot to be shared, but for now, we just keep it natural. Yeah, man. So, come on, yard, man. Appreciate the listening ears. Yeah, man. That is it. I see y'all popping by. What are you talking about? Well, I'm talking about just a few things, um, directions, and you know, a small insight in regards to injustice, yeah man, and so much more. But as time progress, I'm gonna fill you all in. As I said, sometimes you tend to meet some situations that tend to throw you off your game. But it's good for just take the time out and zero in and center yourself. Yeah man. And believe that there is a God. Once there is a will, there is always a way. I am not the type of person to, you know, point fingers. Leave things to the Most High. God fix it for me and for you. Yeah, man. As I said from before, guys, I appreciate the support. I appreciate all who pop by. I appreciate my new subs and the old ones. You know, it's something go. Keep getting up, getting about, getting out there and doing the right thing. Happy Sunday, guys. Yeah, man. And we start off today with a positive note. Despite the ups and downs, the day tall. So, get some time, man. God in your corner. Remember now, walk with faith. Yeah, man. Love and love alone. That is the energy that we are promoting now and forever. So much love, that's love. I ask you, what's the